Good days, DIYer. This is our 97 Honda Prelude again. Our engine bay is still empty, but my plan for today is to clean up the engine bay. We'll be using purple power and some degreaser and pressure washer too. The engine that we removed is still here. I just put my motorcycle cover for now so it won't get rained on and get rusty. Yeah, she's right there. And the rest of the suspension are still here for the front side. I decided to ditch all of this guys right here, the front suspension. I will be just trying to source them locally or get them in the junkyard. So these are all trash. For cleaning up our engine bay, we need some degreaser, purple power. If you have a pressure washer, that will be really helpful. If not, it's okay, just hose it out. But that's our engine bay. What I'm doing now is to soak everything with degreaser, which is purple power. That's the chemical of my choice. You just want to spray good amount to all of them. It soak for about 5 to 10 minutes while hook the hose for the pressure washer. Alright, so this is our finished product after cleaning the engine bay. There you go. It's not perfect because there's still a lot of deposit oils and smudges, but I would say this is 95% really clean. Yeah, if you notice, I wasn't spraying directly to this fuse box, and the integrity of fuse box still dry. And a walk around for this Honda Prelude. Alright, fellow DIYers, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the progress of this Honda Prelude. We have a lot more work that needs to be done with this Prelude to be roadworthy, but just hang on tight and stay tuned so you can see all the progress. And shout out to all our DIYers out there. Thank you for all your support. The channel is already slowly growing. Thank you so much for all the comments and input. All right, until next time.